Hey viewers, how are you? Welcome back my YouTube channel Best Supercar, and today I will show you a best and very nice car, and that is this car Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8 is a good condition, not have any work required, and this car is available in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates in Sharjah, available for sale. And this car is a good condition in alloy rim, best tire, and you can see this car look is a very nice look, good condition, and available for sale in Sharjah. And you can see this car interior is a clean condition, very nice condition, and seat in a leather, you can see, and clean condition interior available, and no have any work required.